Welcome to the serene waters of the Andaman Sea, where the majestic Phi Phi Islands beckon with their unspoiled beauty. Nestled between Phuket and Krabi, Phi Phi is a paradise of dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear beaches and vibrant coral reefs. On Phi Phi Don, the pulse of island life thrives in its resorts, while Phi Phi Leh remains an icon, immortalized by the beach. Join us today as we embark from Phuket Town, where our journey begins with a comfortable minibus ride from your doorstep to the pier. After a warm welcome and a safety briefing, our voyage to the islands commences. Behold Maya Bay, a cinematic marvel. While we honor its rejuvenation period, we still capture its essence from our vessel. Next we plunge into the serene Pileh Lagoon, embraced by cliffs, for a swim in emerald waters. Marvel at the Viking caves' mysteries and Monkey Beach's playful inhabitants. A lavish buffet awaits on Phi Phi Don, fueling our adventure. Dive beneath the waves near Phi Phi Don to meet a rainbow of fish species. Bamboo Island offers tranquility or snorkeling adventures if you choose. Finally, we unwind at Kai Nok Island, the pearl of the Andaman, as the sun sets on an unforgettable day. From crystal waters to enchanting wildlife, this all-day tour immerses you in the splendor of Phi Phi. Join us, where adventure and relaxation are just a boat ride away. Book your journey now and embrace the spirit of the Phi Phi Islands. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel escapades.